nyumagare ngacaria arata nĩ mũranyonire ikamba senator ũyũ atware kwao
akuhurire na agikuingata hau noho ngwa gucokeria ngatho muno tondu kuma riria waumire kuria ndwathi
niko na mheshimiwa wa Kajiado North
muriega ringi mwaga tuhote kuruta ndamathi ino murathimwo.
I have seen William Ruto saying that he is not going to allow rogue police officers. The rogue police officer called Rigathi works under the instructions of William Ruto. There is a squad of 101 police officers that was formed upon the approval of William Ruto, attached to the National Intelligence Service for high-level training on abductions, torture, and extrajudicial killings. So, however, William Ruto, if you are serious, first order the disbandment of that unit that you founded for the purposes of torture, for the purposes of abduction and extrajudicial killing.